Hi, I'm President Paula Pando inviting you to Ride Along with Reynolds, a regular update on where the college is heading, who's joining us for the journey, and why it matters for our students and community. The spring semester may be winding down, but our students, faculty, and staff are digging deep and finishing strong. We're excited you've joined us this month for the ride. We recently had the distinct pleasure of hosting leaders from the U.S. Department of Education at our downtown campus. We showcased the depth and breadth of our programs, highlighting our cutting-edge initiatives in career and technical education, as well as humanities and STEM transfer pathways. It was inspiring to see our students engage with these leaders, sharing their unique life stories and clear strategic career aspirations. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Assistant Secretaries Amy Lloyd and Nasser H. Paydar and their teams for experiencing firsthand the impact our community college has on the communities we proudly serve. Last month, Reynolds was prominently featured at the Henrico Education Foundation Excellence in Education Celebration. This event celebrated the remarkable programs at Henrico County Public Schools and the seamless transition of students who chose Reynolds to further their education in fields like IT, nursing, and automotive technology. One standout story is that of Diallo Bowman. Starting as a dual enrollment student at Highland Springs High School, Diallo advanced into our full automotive degree program and excelled as a master technician. Fast forward, Professor Bowman joined the ranks of our faculty, teaching the next wave of professionals in this high-demand field. His journey from student to master technician to teacher highlights how education serves as a robust bridge to successful careers. Stories like his illustrate the profound impact of our partnership with Henrico Public Schools, propelling young people from classroom learning to career readiness, thereby fostering personal achievement and regional development. Our EMS students faced a challenging yet exhilarating test this month with a mass casualty incident drill right here at our downtown campus. Tasked with managing over 30 simulated casualties from a realistic structural collapse, our students honed their critical emergency response skills. The scenario included vital partnerships such as the Virginia Department of Health Office of Emergency Medical Services and featured a simulated landing by a life evac medevac helicopter. Special kudos to EMS faculty Nakia James and April O'Quinn for creating such a dynamic and realistic learning environment. We're also thrilled to express our profound appreciation to the 164 donors who contributed to our inaugural Reynolds Give Day. Your generosity directly supports the greatest needs of our students, ensuring they have the essential resources to succeed. As we conclude this month's edition, your engagement and support continue to fuel our mission. Thanks for riding along with us. Stay tuned for more updates in June as we continue to celebrate our students' success and contributions to this amazing community.